We are giving you a pineapple spinach smoothie recipe today.
Yummy.
Yum-y. Today on College Kitchen, Robin and I will be making a pineapple spinach smoothie. Robin is very tired today, so maybe she's not even going to say anything, and I'm just going to give her a hug and say, "It's okay, child, it's okay."
I'm getting over a weird, fever thingy I had.
Yeah, weird fever thing.
You know, I'm almost better. Still just tired from it.
But you know what? We just do what we gotta do.
Pineapple spinach smoothie will give me the energy to power through, hopefully.
That's right, it totally will. Also, it's vegan, so if you're into that, super healthy and delicious. And we said a long time ago that we were gonna make a pineapple smoothie, and we're finally
here we are.
Following through.
Let us know in the comments below what smoothie you think we should make next. What fruits, what flavors, all the things. Or none, your choice.
But we'd love to hear from you, so make sure and comment below. Let's get started. Smoothie.
Yay!
Yay! I'm so excited to taste it. Okay, put your glass up here.
Ooh. Wow.
Ah! Fancy.
I
knew what I was doing. I'm a professional.
He's up.
Cheers!
That is yummy.
I love pineapple. It is my all-time favorite fruit, and this is delicious. It tastes exactly like a piece of pineapple. Also, let's mention what we already have mentioned about spinach in previous videos.
It tastes like nothing.
In a smoothie, you can't taste it.
The only thing it does is make it healthier and make it green.
Exactly. It's green because we put in all that spinach, but you literally can't taste any of it.
Just tastes like pineapple and
banana.
banana.
Man, it's really good too. If you're looking for a healthy, easy breakfast food, I think this is the thing that you need in your life right now.
If you like this video, make sure and give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Helps us out when you do.
Also, remember that you can find the recipe for this smoothie down in the description below. Also, there's some other great little nuggets down there, so make sure and check it out.
Yeah, check out those nuggets.
They're special. Go check them out, and we'll see you next time on College Kitchen.
Bye.